Thank you for joining me today on this Zoom call. My name is Dr. JJ Levine. I'm the president of Essanté Organics. And over just the next few minutes, I'll be sharing an in-depth look at Essanté Organics all-purpose cleaner One and Done. And this is a revolutionary plant-based product that's simplifying your life while delivering powerful self-cleaning. And I'm going to walk you through its key features, ingredients, and how recent scientific research from just the last 5 years share and support its cleaning efficacy, safety, and even benefits for your health. So let's dive right in. Now, first, let's talk about how this cleaner is going to simplify your life. In a world cluttered with toxic chemicals and specialized detergents, Essanté Organics replaces all of them with one toxic-free, biodegradable, multi-purpose solution. No more shelves full of harsh bleaches, fabric softeners, or laundry detergents. This one bottle does it all, from laundry to floors, countertops, and even your vehicle. It's a game changer for busy households, reducing waste and hassle while being gentle on the environment. Now, you might be asking, what makes this product so strong? And the secret lies in its organic coconut and orange essential oils, which provide superior cleaning power. These ingredients tackle the toughest stains like paint, blood, grass, oil, grease, wine, and berries without leaving residues. And for laundry alone, it delivers 32 loads with just one tiny capful. Yep, this size cap. And it's safe for your HE machines. But strength isn't just about stains, it's about deep cleaning at a microbial level, which I'll back up with science shortly. One of its standout features is being completely toxic free. This cleaner is hypoallergenic, plant-based, and biodegradable with a fresh, mild scent that's safe for infants and even those with sensitive skin. And unlike toxic chemical-laden products that can irritate your lungs or skin, this one supports health by avoiding harmful toxic synthetics. Now, specifically, it steers clear of common toxic chemicals found in conventional cleaners and laundry detergents. And these include phthalates, volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, formaldehyde, quaternary ammonium compounds, glycol ethers, triclosan, and chlorine or bleach derivatives. So let's kind of touch on each of those. Phthalates, which a 2021 report links to endocrine disruption, preterm birth, decreased lung function, and fertility issues. VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, with a 2023 study revealing that they emit hundreds of hazardous variants associated with respiratory damage, increased cancer risk, and developmental or reproductive harms. Formaldehyde, known for its carcinogenic or cancer-causing properties and ties to irritation. Quaternary ammonium compounds, or quats, are connected in 2020 research to antibiotic resistance, contact dermatitis, and asthma. Glycol ethers have been shown in recent studies to affect fetal brain development, lower IQ, and raise the risk of ADHD-like behaviors. Triclosan, which promotes drug-resistant bacteria and endocrine disruption, and then chlorine or bleach derivatives, which irritate the respiratory system and may disrupt thyroid function, leading to chronic bronchitis or even asthma. By avoiding all of these toxic ingredients, our product prevents exposure to substances tied to serious conditions like asthma, including childhood asthma from frequent cleaner use per a 2020 study, allergies, headaches, eczema, neurotoxicity, hormone-related disorders, and even various cancers. And as I said earlier, it's safe for all machines, including your HE laundry machine, as well as it's safe for your carpet, hard floors, and all surfaces, including wood, glass, granite, quartz, tile, tubs, cars, carpets, and even delicate fabrics. And here's the guarantee. It cleans better than toxic chemical detergents and cleaners, backed by its natural formulation. And if you're skeptical, just think about all of the endorsements from users who've switched and never looked back. Our ditch and switch philosophy is garnering new converts every single day. And we have a philosophy here at Essanté Organics called ditch and switch. This is where we educate people on common ingredients found in most everyday personal care, nutrition, and in this case, home care products, which are linked to horrific diseases. You have to know this: your skin is your largest organ. What you put on your skin will be in your bloodstream in a matter of seconds, and then those ingredients make their way to your vital organs. When these ingredients are toxic and with daily chronic exposure, dysfunction and disease can be the outcome. Every day, you have the opportunity to contribute to your wellness and life, or with poor Uneducated choices add to your sickness and early demise. Once a person is educated, they simply ditch their toxic brands and switch them for toxic-free products made from certified USD organic ingredients. This is also called transfer buying because you're taking the money you're already spending on the toxic products and using it now for Essanté Organics toxic-free products, which are guaranteed to work as well or better than what you've been using. But today I want to focus on the science behind why one and done works so well, drawing from studies published between 2020 and 2025. They're just the past 5 years. I'll group the ingredients logically, the saponified oils as the base, the thickeners and the humectants, and then the essential oils for antimicrobial and degreasing power. All right, let's start with the core. Organic saponified oils from coconut, olive, and jojoba. These are natural soaps created through saponification, turning plant oils into effective surfactants that literally lift dirt and grease. A study this year, in 2025, on natural soaps from vegetable oils found them clinically effective with the benefit of removing toxicity and offering greater biodegradability in aquatic environments compared to synthetics. They enhance safety for human cells while providing antimicrobial benefits. Now, for coconut oil specifically, a 2025 clinical trial showed saponified coconut oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial efficacy against periodontal pathogens, reducing bacteria and inflammation in ways that support your oral health and, by extension, skin health when used as a cleaner. Another paper this year in 2025 on olive oil soaps highlighted their biodegradability and safety, noting they positively influence gentle cleaning without environmental harm. Jojoba oil adds moisturizing properties. A 2021 comprehensive review confirmed jojoba oil's safety for skin with anti-inflammatory effects that ease irritation and support wound healing, making it ideal for a cleaner that's gentle on your body. Now, I want you to know these oils aren't just cleaners, they're biodegradable, breaking down naturally without polluting our waterways, as emphasized in a 2025 review this year on plant-based cleaners for dairy biofilms, where natural agents like these showed efficacy against tough contaminants while still being eco-safe. Next, vegetable glycerin and organic guar gum act as humectants and thickeners, ensuring the formula clings and performs without dripping. Glycerin is hypoallergenic and safe. A 2020 safety assessment in cosmetics reaffirmed its non-irritating nature. In cleaning contexts, it supports gentle formulas. And guar gum is a natural biodegradable thickener. A 2021 review on its application in drug delivery noted its non-toxicity and eco-friendly profile, making it perfect for sustainable products. A 2023 study further confirmed guar gum's safety and biodegradability in food and pharma, extending to cleaners when it stabilizes without health risks. Now, allow me to discuss the powerhouse essential oils. We've got organic orange, cedarwood, lavender, lemon, lime, rosemary extract, tea tree, and eucalyptus. And these 8 essential oils provide the antimicrobial punch, fresh scent, and health-supporting benefits. So let's break them all down. Citrus oils, specifically organic orange, lemon, and lime, are stellar for degreasing and cleaning. A 2022 review on citrus essential oils highlighted their broad antimicrobial effects, disrupting bacterial and fungal cells while being biodegradable. Specifically, a study last year in 2024 on lemon essential oil showed strong antibacterial activity against pathogens. For lime, a 2022 review noted its antibacterial action against E. coli and others with safety for topical use. Another 2020 study on citrus reticulata, which is related to organic orange and lime essential oils, demonstrated antioxidant and antibacterial properties with non-irritant safety on skin and wound healing benefits that support human health by reducing infection risks. And these oils cut grease naturally, as their limonene content dissolves oils effectively, per a 2022 analysis of citrus oils degreasing and cleaning. Next is cedarwood essential oil. It adds an antifungal and antibacterial power to this formula. A 2022 study on cedarwood oil confirmed its antimicrobial activity, preserving food by inhibiting bacteria. In a 2020 antifungal study, cedarwood was among essential oils effective against Malassezia species. And this species is responsible for causing skin issues like dandruff, proving its cleaning power on surfaces prone to fungal growth. It's safe for topical use with health benefits like reducing inflammation. And then lavandin, which is a lavender hybrid, offers similar antimicrobial safety. A study this year in 2025 showed that lavandin essential oil has a powerful activity against food-borne bacteria, supporting its use in cleaners. Rosemary extract is the antioxidant hero, preventing oxidation and extending our shelf life. A 2025 bidirectional review showed rosemary improves vegetable oil stability while offering human health benefits like reducing oxidative stress. Tea tree oil is renowned for antibacterial as well as antifungal action. And what I love about this year, 2025, there was an updated review on tea tree oil, and it detailed its broad antimicrobial effects and showing that it's safe when diluted for the skin. A 2021 review confirmed its safety in topical applications for acne and infections. And then finally, we have eucalyptus essential oil. It's very popular here at Essanté Organics, and it's used universally as a disinfectant. A 2023 study showed its antibacterial properties against MRSA, enhancing cleaning efficacy. A 2024 review highlighted health benefits like respiratory support with safe use in household cleaners. So overall, you're getting a glimpse that recent research on essential oils as natural cleaners, like a 2024 study on their broad antimicrobial and antioxidant roles, confirms they're effective, safe, and biodegradable alternatives to toxic chemicals. A 2023 paper on essential oils as produce sanitizers showed they reduce pathogens while being eco-friendly. And a study last year in 2024 was an eco-sanitation study proved essential oils like these disinfect indoor spaces effectively. So in conclusion, Essanté Organics one and done all-purpose cleaner isn't just effective, it's backed by cutting-edge science from 2020 onward, proving its cleaning power, safety, and health support. And it's going to simplify your life while protecting you, your loved ones, and the planet. So I invite you to get back to the person who shared this overview with you and ask them for their Essanté Organics website link. Once you go to their link, just click on the Join and Save tab so you can get this product as well as any of our entire catalog at the wholesale price. And at the time of this recording, I've asked my team to place one and done on sale. So please check out the on sale now section of our website before this offer is gone. And actually, there's 3 offers for one and done right now. Thank you for your time. Have a great day, and I look forward to helping you create a toxic-free home.